Discover the glycemic index, by Ron Men, glycemicindexresults.com. The glycemic index chart is the measurement of carbohydrates on blood sugar level. All carbohydrates work differently in our bodies. Glycemic index chart is a way to list all carbohydrate foods and their effects on blood sugar level in the body. But sometimes it is little confusing. It was normally made to be used by patients and doctors to maintain their health. Many researchers have found that the glycemic index chart is not big and scary chart, and it helps in maintaining long-term health by reducing heart diseases and diabetes, and helps in weight loss. High, medium and low numbers. Glycemic index chart contains list of all foods ranging from 0 to 100. These numbers are assigned according to the food listed. These numbers indicate that which food will bring the blood sugar level up and down. A food with 95 number raises glucose level up, and but a number 20 does not raise blood sugar level at all. Lesser the number, slower it will be digested in the body. So it will slowly change the blood sugar level, which is healthier for the diabetic patient. The numbers are very easy to understand, but it takes time while reading them. The numbers which are lower than 55, then it is known as low glycemic index chart. When it ranges from 55 to 69, then it is considered as middle range. Whereas the glycemic index chart from 70 to 100 is called high glycemic index chart. Number 100 is considered as pure glucose number. The foods are listed in group or food types. They are not based according to their index number. There are many variations in glycemic index chart, but they all work on the basic principles. Why are some foods ranked lower than others? Glycemic index chart is quite confusing for people at many levels who use it. In the glycemic index, some foods are not ranked according to their value. So understanding of these numbers is very important to follow this glycemic index chart. If we take example of Snickers bar, which has its place in 40s, but it is lower than others. Though it contains high protein in the form of peanuts, the proteins present in peanuts are slower for the digestion of other foods in the human body and take so much time to digest it. Proteins have the unexpected ranking of the glycemic index chart. This is the biggest mistake with the glycemic index chart. The food which is highly ranked on glycemic index chart should be eaten with protein. How much this information is important. The glycemic index is used by either diabetic or non-diabetic. It really takes too much time to understand that how to use the information which is received from glycemic index chart. But when the person becomes the master to use the glycemic index chart, then it leads towards the good health. It all happens from experience, which can change the lives of all people. Ron is an expert at losing weight. For useful information on glycemicindexresults.com, secrets of using the glycemic index list /